Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight, the Jamaica Public Service Company announces an increase in electricity bills. Tonight, we'll tell you how much more you will have to pay. Also tonight, tragedy on Jamaica's roads. A police constable killed in a devastating crash while on duty. What investigators are now revealing and how the force is standing with the officer's grieving family tonight. And serious concerns over school transportation. A 14-year-old student injured after falling from a school bus in St. Mary. The opposition PNP is demanding answers tonight. Plus, TikTok love affair.
Yo, come right now, my girl.
TikTok influencers Rosalie and Akeem spark fresh speculation as their public romance appears to take a new turn tonight. Welcome to Jamaica News Page tonight, news that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're all powered by viewers like you. Because of your support, we've made over 1 million connections with thousands of you now loyal subscribers tonight. Certainly, thank you for subscribing. We're truly honored to be part of your day. By the way, are you celebrating a birthday, anniversary, or a special moment? We'd love to give you a shout out. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. Developing tonight, customers of the Jamaica Public Service Company will see a 7% increase in their electricity bills for December, reflecting power usage for the month of November. The increase follows higher electricity generation costs after Hurricane Melissa disrupted the natural gas supply, forcing the utility to rely on expensive fuel sources. The hurricane also led to a significant reduction in electricity consumption, estimated at around 30%, which further impacted fuel and independent power producer charges. To ease the impact on customers, the Office of Utilities Regulation has approved a deferral of a portion of the increased costs, which JPS will recover gradually over the coming months. For the average residential customer using about 165 kilowatt or so hours per month, the adjustment is expected to add approximately $655 to a bill that previously averaged around $9,000. The regulator says electricity costs and consumption levels could take up to 6 months to stabilize and has instructed JPS to consult with the OUR before making any further fuel or IPP-related adjustments during that period. And we have some breaking news to tell you about tonight. 3 men were killed during an alleged confrontation with members of the security forces Monday afternoon in the community of Rose Heights, St. James. Jamaica News Page tonight understands that officers were conducting operations in the area when they were confronted by armed men. An exchange followed, after which 3 men were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were taken to hospital where they later died from their injuries. Investigations into the incident are ongoing tonight. New tonight.
You know, the bus crash. It's all when me I say it to you, because full bus don't start.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force has confirmed the death of a police constable following a motor vehicle collision in St. Elizabeth. The incident occurred around 10:15 Saturday morning along the Goshen Main Road in Santa Cruz. The deceased has been identified as Constable Eric Evans. There you see him on your screen, who was attached to the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch. Reports indicate that Constable Evans was traveling on a police-issued motorcycle when it collided with a Toyota coaster bus. He sustained multiple injuries and was rushed to the Mandeville Regional Hospital, where he later died. The driver of the bus has been identified, and investigations into the circumstances surrounding the crash are ongoing. Meanwhile, the Jamaica Police Federation has expressed condolences to the Jamaica Constabulary Force and colleagues of Constable Eric Evans. In a statement, the Federation confirmed that a response team from the JCF Welfare Division is currently on the ground working alongside members of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch. The Federation says it extends its sincere condolences to the management and staff of PSTEB during this period of loss. New tonight, police have identified the 2 people killed in a separate motor vehicle collision in Monique, St. Anne. They are 18-year-old Tachina Williams and 30-year-old Randall Smith, both of Claremont. Reports indicate that around 4:45 Sunday morning, Williams and Smith were passengers in a white motor car when it collided with a Honda motor car traveling in the opposite direction along Retirement Road. The impact reportedly flung both victims from the vehicle. All occupants of both cars were taken to hospital, where Williams and Smith later died from their injuries. Tonight, the Jamaica Urban Transit Company is investigating an incident in which a student fell from one of its school buses in St. Mary. The incident reportedly occurred on December 1 along the Buff Bay to Highgate route. According to preliminary reports, around 12:10 in the afternoon, the bus driver was alerted by students that a passenger had been pushed from the vehicle. JUTC says the driver immediately stopped the bus and ensured that the 14-year-old student received urgent medical attention. A JUTC dispatcher transported the student to the Anotabe Hospital, where she was treated and later released. The company says the incident was reported to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and the bus was examined by the Island Traffic Authority. Initial checks revealed no mechanical defects with the bus door. Both the police and JUTC's internal security team are continuing their investigations. Meanwhile, the opposition People's National Party is calling for answers. PNP caretaker for West Portland, Doreen Campbell, says the student is from the constituency and is questioning why no supervisor was aboard the bus.
The question I now have to ask, who has a duty of care for this young lady? 1. 2, why is there not a signal lamp on the dashboard that immediately indicates to the driver that there is a door that is opened on the bus? Another question, why was there not a second person working with the driver on a school bus? Where was the supervisor for the bus?
New tonight, Jamaica News Page Tonight has obtained a video showing a brawl and men appearing to be police officers dressed in civilian clothes pulling guns on bystanders.
Around them people, God, I want to come from. Uno mad. Uno mad. Uno mad. No, Barry. Accident.
The incident reportedly occurred at the scene of a motor vehicle accident in Portland. Authorities are aware of the footage and we're monitoring the situation closely. We'll bring you more details as information becomes available. And before we go tonight,
We don't want to do that.
Like for the hard 1, 2, 3, can't double it.
We want to go.
Just like that. You don't know that. Yeah, that thing.
social media is buzzing after Jamaican TikTok influencers Rosalie and Akeem seen here getting tattoos. Rosalie tattooed Akeem's name on her wrist, while Akeem got 3 hearts inked on his face, sparking speculation that their public romance may be taking a new turn. We'll just have to wait and see where it goes from here. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're all powered by viewers like you. Because of your support, we've made over 1 million connections with thousands of you now loyal subscribers tonight. Certainly, thank you for subscribing. We're truly honored to be part of your day. By the way, are you celebrating a birthday, anniversary, or special moment? We'd love to give you a shout out. Just tap join on your screen to get started. Thank you for connecting. We'll see you in the comments and be sure to join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.